Hey everybody, so I got a quick video here on something on these fridges. So I got three different types of fridges, and one of the biggest issues I see with fridges is this gasket ripping. Now every fridge has a different type of gasket, so you have to look it up for your model number of a fridge. But basically there's three different types. This one is just a Frigidaire. It's the easiest model. Okay, so I got you a little closer here, but as you can see, this gasket just pushes into the door frame. So it's got a little channel here that it sits in, and you just push it in, make sure the whole thing seats in there, and easy as pie, that guy would be done. That's the easiest one. The other one we have is over here. Okay, so this one happens to be a Whirlpool model. So the gasket in this one cannot be changed. There's no screws, no anything to actually get the gasket out of there. It doesn't sit into a channel like the other guy does. It's just non-repairable. Okay, so this is the last style we have. This is an older style fridge. And what they do is they actually have screws that hold this metal bracket into place, which secures the gasket to the door. So if you want to change the gasket on these guys, it's a little bit of a pain. You got to undo, I don't know how many, probably about 50 screws on the perimeter of this guy all the way around. And then this gasket will be able to be pulled out. Okay, so for your fridge model number, in most cases on newer fridges, you open the fridge door and the model number is right up in that section there. There'll be a sticker either there or on this side here. On older fridges, you might be able to find them in the back or possibly inside the freezer compartment. This guy here, not that we can change the thing anyway, but yeah, he's in the same spot. And it's right up there too. So that's an older guy right there, but so yeah, they're basically all in the same spot on these fridges. So yeah, you'll find your model number there, and you can look up your gasket for your fridge. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you real quick because I've had a lot of questions lately on people asking if they could change the gaskets on their fridges. So some you can, some you can't. You'll have to look it up for your model number, and that will tell you whether you can or not, is if you can actually see it in the lookups. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good night.